Encountering broken registry items on Windows 11? Fear not. In the next 10 seconds, I'll share easy steps to swiftly fix those registry issues and ensure your system runs smoothly. First, click the Search Utilities taskbar button. Type CMD in the search text box to find the command prompt. Click the Run as Administrator option for the command prompt. Now input this command within the prompts window and hit Enter. When the first scan has finished, input this System File command and press Enter. Wait for the system file scan to reach 100% and display an outcome message. Then you can close the command prompts window.
If this attempt didn't resolve the issue, let's move on to the next solution.
Right-click the Start button on the taskbar to bring up the menu below. Select Run on that menu. Type the following command in Run's open box: clean mgr.exe. Click OK to open the Disk Cleanup window. Select all the file checkboxes in Disk Cleanup. Click the OK button to open the dialog box. Press the Delete Files button on that dialog box.
If this didn't do the trick, let's proceed to the next solution.
Click Start on the taskbar, then click the Power button on the Start menu. Press and hold the Shift key and click Restart. Next, select Troubleshoot on the Choose an Option menu that opens. Click the Advanced Options button. Select Startup Repair on the Advanced Options menu. Choose an account to apply the startup repair to, and then enter the password for it. Press the Continue button.
Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.